This is how they talk.
That's why I'm
Sharp.
Give them a minute.
We are cleaning the filter. Sharp.
What did you talk? Good afternoon, sir. Let's go, sir.
So we are tapping the gearbox, the sensors I mean, to know their how good they are. We're tapping it to see.
This idea. I mean that.
You go drive now. You go move this way to small.
So you can do this. Yeah, let me patronize you.